how to make a music playlist on your YouTube mobile device. So first, go ahead and find a video that you want to add to your playlist. So I'm just going to add this Mr. Beast video right over here. So from here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the three dots on the right hand side. And then right over here, there's going to be a pop-up on the second option, says Save to Playlist. You want to click on that. So now you can either save it to all these different options, but for this scenario, we're going to click on a new playlist, and then I can title it whatever you want. So let's just title it Mr. Beast Playlist, or whatever playlist you want to name it. And then you can also set the playlist as a private playlist, meaning that only you can access it, or an unlisted, meaning that you can send the link to someone and they can access it, or you can also make it public so anyone can actually search for your playlist. So it's up to you to decide how you want your privacy to be, and then simply click on the create button, just like that. Playlist created, and if you want to add more, let's say we want to add this video right over here, simply click on the three dots again, and then click on Save to Playlist. And then right over here, as you can see, it says Mr. Beast Playlist, which is a playlist that we just made, and then click on the Done at the really bottom. And then so now if we go over to our account, your channel, and click on the playlist, which is the third option right over here, you're going to find a Mr. Beast playlist. You click on that, and so here you're going to find the playlist.